Hello, garden enthusiasts, and welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into the wonderful world of front garden designs. Your front garden is the first impression visitors have to your home, so why not make it a stunning one? In this video, we shall explore some creative and inspiring ideas to transform your front garden into a true oasis of beauty. So let's get started. When it comes to front garden design, there is wide range of styles to choose from. One popular option is the modern front garden. Clean lines, minimalistic features, and a focus on architectural elements are the hallmarks of the design. Think sleek partners, sculptural plants, and well-defined pathways to create a contemporary and sophisticated look. If you prefer a more romantic and whimsical feel, the cottage-style front garden might be perfect for you. Bursting with colorful blooms, this design incorporates classic elements like picket fences, climbing roses, and overflowing flower beds. It's a delightful blend of nostalgia and natural beauty. On the other end of the spectrum, we have the minimalistic front garden. This garden focuses on simplicity and functionality, creating a clean and uncultured space. A few well-chosen plants, sleek containers, and a thoughtfully designed layout can make a powerful statement. Less is definitely more in the style. Now that we have explored different styles, let's talk about some essential design elements that can elevate your front garden's aesthetics. First, consider your color palette. Choosing is key. Choose a color scheme that complements your home's exterior and creates a harmonious visual connection. Vibrant pops of color can make a bold statement, while a monochromatic palette can lend an air of sophistication. Next, pay attention to your pathway. It serves as a guide to your front entrance and sets the tone for the entire garden. Consider using natural materials like stone or gravel for a rustic feel, or sleek tiles for a more modern touch. Enhance the path with soft lighting to create a warm and inviting atmosphere. Don't forget about focal points. A well-placed feature such as a striking tree, a charming fountain, or a captivating sculpture can serve as the centerpiece of your front garden. It adds visual interest and draws attention to your outdoor space, making it stand out from the rest. And there you have it, folks. Front garden designs that will inspire and transform your outdoor space. Remember, your front garden is an extension of your home personality. So let your creativity shine. Experiment with different styles, embrace the beauty of nature, and create a welcoming environment that reflects your unique tastes. Thank you for watching, and we shall see you next time with more exciting gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening!